I promised you that I'll be telling you some remedies today. So I have a presentation today that will help you a lot. You see, these are some of the small items that are available online and available at various Vastu stores so that we can rectify, we can completely enhance a particular area of your mandala. You see, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you must have seen in many factories, many offices, many business persons, they keep a Kubera symbol, in their office, on the table, or maybe at a certain location. Yaksharaj Kubera is the lord of wealth and the guardian of all the treasures in this universe. He is responsible for all money transactions which is involving your effort and work. He also represents the new opportunities in case you are not satisfied with the current income. To ensure the right money flow in your home or to avail new opportunities in your career, place a statue of Kubera on the table or on a shelf in a wall in the north zone of your building. So, north zone of your office mandala, okay, because Kubera money is directly proportional to the opportunity. If you'll get an opportunity, you'll get the money. If you don't get an opportunity, you'll never get the money. You'll never get the money. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are lacking in opportunities, means somehow your north is not good, it is blocked, somehow there is a problem, or maybe it's a north facing home and you have a bad entrance, there's blockage of opportunity, blockage of money, or there is a lot of fire element in the north. This is one of the remedies. I must tell you, this is not the only remedy. There are many other remedies as well. So remedies in Vastu come in combinations. It is not that we have done just one remedy and it will be a miracle. No, it will come with various combinations. You've had a Kubera, now there's a specific color that should be there. There should be some other picture of Vishnu and Lakshmi, as I said, that can be there. So these are certain things that you can do. But this is one of those remedies, and this is one of those powerful remedies in the north. Okay, so that's how it is. The second most important thing is to enhance your confidence and power with the lion. Okay, it's a male lion, and this is to enhance your confidence level in situations where you lack in it. And to develop a powerful self presence, place a brass lion. So it should be a brass, it should not be any other metal. In the Vastu stores or online, you may get a golden or maybe a some other steel kind of, but it has to be brass. Okay, and you need to place it in the NNE, northeast zone of your home, and you have to make sure that this lion faces the center of the building, means it is facing the Brahmasthana, and you will see that you will immediately feel stronger, more gracious, and you will possess more powers, and your personality will start glowing. You will become a very kingly kind of a person from inside and outside, even if your financial position is not good, but nobody can take that behavior from you. That's the most important thing. When I was young, so people used to say that, okay, you're not very rich, you can't do this, you can't do that, but I said my dreams are not poor. The biggest thing that you should have is you should have a rich dream. In the same way, you should feel powerful even if you're not powerful. you know this will affect everyone in the house, of course. So if you want your wife not to be very powerful or your husband not to be very powerful, don't do it. Okay, so it give confidence to a lot of people, in fact everyone. Okay, so you should never place any deity or devata in the bedroom, never ever, because bedroom is not a very auspicious place. Bedroom is where you have maximum sleep, and there is a kama, krodha, lobha, moha settlement happening in the bedroom. So not in the bedroom. Any devata, any deity, I would request you not to place in the bedroom. Bedroom, you can place a picture If it is in the north or northwest, uh, place a picture of a peacock, with सारे के सारे उनके पंख खुले हुए हों, opened, wings. You can have a peacock picture in the north, blue and greenish kind of a, picture. So that you can put, but do not put any Kubera or any Devata known as Ashok pillar. You will see this Ashok pillar, a small statue, in all the offices of IAS officers, IPS officers, big police officers. It is always there. When it is placed in the northwest zone, the Ashoka pillar guarantees government support and it yields exceptional result in the areas pertaining to government favors, promotion, and recognition. Do not place the Ashoka pillar anywhere between southeast and the south of your home, since this will invite an harassment by a government department or allegations or prosecutions even. So it should not be placed in the south or the southeast area of the office mandala or of the home. It has to be in the northwest only. Okay. So if you have your office in the south or in the southeast, do not have this thing. But if you have your office in the north or in the northwest, having an office for an IAS officer for a government employee in the northeast or northwest is very good. It gives a lot of clarity. A lot of people come, meet, and go. Okay. So there you can put it. Okay. But do not put it in the south or in the southeast. Very, very powerful. This has given exuberant results to my clients. It really works. The energy really, really works here. Okay. This is one of the fantastic things. Surya Chakra. As per Vastu, the sun represents the governing or the ruling power. It also helps you to get the wisdom and skill to build fruitful associations. And it spreads your glory, name, fame, reputation all around. To create a powerful effect, sun should be placed in the hanging position in the east zone of your home. So wherever you have the east wall, maybe in the living room, right, you can have this hanging Surya, right? Do not put a sun face which is showing expression of pain. You see, this is not showing any expression of pain or anger. There are some such material or such Suryas available in the shops which is showing little bit of angry or anguish kind of a thing. So then that energy will come at your home. So please have a very normal, subtle, meditative kind of a representation of the Surya. Honestly speaking, I've seen people getting a lot of name and fame, right? If you're doing well, if you are talented, you're really working hard in your life, but something which is missing is name and fame, then it is one thing that you can do, very, very good. Also, if your Surya is not favoring you, although Surya is a Yogkarak Graha, it is a natural, benefic planet in your horoscope, and somehow, you know, it is badly placed. You can have this small Surya as a pendant form also. अपने गले में भी छोटा सा सूर्य अपने pendant form में आप डाल सकते हो. You can wear it. You must have seen to various people, wearing a small Surya. It increases your name and fame and immunity. But if you can't wear it, you can keep it at your home. That is more safer. Also, we have this sword. You must have seen this in the homes in Rajasthan. Even in Punjab, we have the statues. We keep a sword at home. Sword was widely used as a Vastu remedy in ancient India. Even today, you will find swords placed graciously on the walls of Indian palaces and homes belonging to people in power. Its main use was still ensuring the victory. This victory may be in the form of increased profits, winning court cases, political battles, or even getting, good contacts, licensing. To win a court case, display a sword on the wall that lies in the ENE zone of your building. Very important. East, north, east only. ENE. So wherever is the ENE zone of your home, you can hang a sword, an original sword there. Okay. It should not be a blunt sword. It should be a sharp, original, usable sword. It should not just be a statue or just like that. Okay, we have it like a toy or something. No, really helps. Trust me. I've seen people winning court cases, winning licensings, and winning political battles. I have done Vastu of more than 15 or 20 politicians, a good one of India. And I've seen Ashoka pillars, I have seen swords, I have seen Surya, in their lobbies. Really, really helps. Especially Surya in the office lobby in the east direction will really boost your business. Really.